Here's how you can simply fix blurry YouTube thumbnails. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I want to fix my blurry YouTube thumbnail, and the best way possible to fix blurry YouTube thumbnails is by going over to your Chrome browser and then search for a website called Image Upscaler. So type in image.upscaler, type in image.upscaler, and I would recommend you use this website right over here, this one right over here. So click on this one, and then it's going to ask you to upload the image you'd like to upscale. So click on the choose images option, and then locate your images or image rather, sorry. In this case, I'm simply going to select this one, then click on open, and then the ratio I'm just going to leave it at 200, and then click on upload and start. So it's going to upload, so it's uploading rather, sorry, it's uploading. Now it's done processing. It's going to give you the option to download, so you can simply click on the download option, and that should simply start to download your image. So what this website does is that it upscales your image. So if it was a low quality image, it upscales it and makes it a higher quality image. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. So as you can see, it has finished downloading. We can open up the image, and as you can see, it has upscaled my image. So it turns low quality thumbnails into high quality thumbnails. So every time before you upload a video, make sure that you upscale your thumbnails to improve the quality. So if you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if this helped you, comment how it helped you, and if this method worked. It would really help me get to know your feedback. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you in another tutorial.